Hello everybody, it's me, Code Trucker Looter, signing in for another episode of the channel. Here we are with the part 7 or 8 of the JavaScript. And we are in a very confusing state. So basically, I'm kind of confused with the book itself because it doesn't show as many exercises as I want it to be. It's not like the Python book that it shows, a lot of exercises as you go. Basically, what it does is explaining a lot of methods and a lot of how do you say, like tools that JavaScript offers, and then gives like a 2 or 3 exercises in each chapter. I think the most exercises that we got is in chapter 1 or 2, I believe. That we had like 9 exercises in the entire chapter. It was nuts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this book, and then I'm gonna make basically like a list of all the other methods and tools that they gave it to us, and create a new video, a new playlist video of the JavaScript tools that we could use and use it in different exercises that I'm going to implement and create on my own. And of course, you guys can see it. And of course, I'm going to provide a GitHub repository with all those methods so you guys can chip in with your own exercises. So without further ado, guys, we are still in chapter 5. And we're going to make a sorting an array exercise. So without further ado, guys, let's go with the code. Of course, our handy dandy HTML, language English. I'm not gonna say that I'm fully used to my new keyboard, but I actually like my keyboard more, right now. Now go for the body and then script. All right, go for JavaScript here. Variable my shopping. X milk potatoes cereal banana. Then we go for variable ord, prompt, enter 1 for alphabetical order plus and -1 for reverse order. If ord is equals to 1, then my shopping sort document that write my shopping that join. Break line. Else if ord equals -1. We're gonna do it. Let me put it right here. Thank you. -1. My shopping sort my shopping dot reverse document dot write my shopping join else document that write that is not a valid input. All right, we save, go to the page, enter 1 for alphabetical order and 1 minus 1 for, let's go, damn it. There we go. Hey, so what? Banana, cereal, eggs, milk, potatoes. Okay. Minus 1. Potatoes, milk, eggs, cereal, banana. Not bad, huh? That's how you do the array object. Okay, so let's see a brief explanation, shall we? Set example, at the top of the script block, you define the array containing your shopping list. Next, you define the variable ord to be the value entered by the user in a prompt box. This value is used in the conditions of the if statements that follow. The first if checks whether the value of ord is 1. That is, whether the user wants the array in alphabetical order. If so, the following code is executed. Shopping sort, blah blah blah. The array is sorted and then displayed to the user on separate lines using the join method. Next, in the else if statement, you check whether the value of ord is minus 1. That is, whether the user wants the array in reverse alphabetical order. If so, the following code is executed. Here you sort, okay, the array before reversing its order, blah 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 blah. Okay. Finding array elements, the index of and last of index. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make a list of all these methods that the book provides for JavaScript, and then I'm gonna create a new video playlist, a new series of elaborating or using these methods in codes. Okay, in little programs that we will do. All right. So the index and last index methods, I'm going to do this later. Of course, I'm going to create this list later because I'm going to do a list for all the methods that we have seen in the book. So from whatever chapter 1 through the latest chapter. So let's keep going. Iterating through an array without loops. Familiar call iterative methods because they are iterate or loop through the array. Okay. Testing each element, the every, sum, and filter methods. Okay. Numbers, function is less than 3, blah, 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 blah. Okay. The first line shows, okay, that explains it. Right along with me, let's assume you want to retrieve. Okay, the filter method executes your function every element in the array, and if your function returns true, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a function is less than 3, value index array, var return value false. If value 3, return 3. Return value. Okay, that's cool. Operating on elements, the for each and map methods. The final two methods are the for each and map methods. Unlike the previous iterative methods, these two methods do not test each element in the array with your function. Instead, the function you write should perform some kind of operation that uses the element in some way. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. The math object. The math object provides a number of useful mathematical functions and number manipulation methods. You take a look at some of them here, but you will find the rest described in detail at the Mozilla Developer Network. Nice. Had a JavaScript reference global object map. That's cool. Okay, let's see. Let's jump into the next exercise, shall we? All right, we weren't that far from the next exercise. We were like 2 pages away. So let's go with the rounding methods results, okay? So in here we have chapter 5, example 4.html. Doc type, HTML, lang English, of course. Don't have the body, got a title, chapter 5, example 4. Okay. Sorry, I think I did it wrong. It's the head and then the body. Head, title, body, script, var my number equals prompt, enter the number to be rounded. Document that write h3 the number you entered was my number plus h3. Finish statement. Excuse me. Document that write p the rounding results for this number are document that write table with 150 border 1. Fucking shift. The shift button is the one that fucks me over a little bit here. Document write tr th method. We're closing the th and we're closing the t. Oh no, we open a new th. Result. Closing the th. and then we'll close the tr. Okay. We'll have also a document that write with another tr td for the parse integer td oh fuck, we put another td over here. Okay. Parse integer my number 10. When then we close the td, and then we close the tr. We also have a document that write with the tr and td saying sale td, open another td plus math sale my number closing td and then closing tr. Wait a minute, there is a slight wait a minute, td, so is tr expected where? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. There you go. Oh, I need a math floor. Basically the same thing with the math floor. Okay. Going to right. TD. Round. Okay, so now we do the round. Close TD. Close TD. We open a new TD. Math that round my number plus TD and TR and then closing bracket. There we go. Okay, and now document write table. There you go. Holy script. Now we go to our sample. We go to Okay, enter the number to be rounded. I said the number you entered was fucking cool. Was 45.67. The rounding results for this number are method result parse integer 45 seal 46 floor 45 round. This is fucking cool, and I love my. So let's take a look, shall we? Let's take a look. So you're here. All right. The first task is to get the number to be rounded from the user. Var number prompt. Enter the number to be rounded. Then you write out the number and submit the scripted text. Document write. The number you entered was no number. Notice how these times some HTML tags for formatting have been included. The main header being in H3 tag and the description of what the table means being inside a paragraph. Next, you create the table of results. Okay. Right. You create the table header first before actually displaying the results of each. Okay. Rounding function on a separate row. The principles are the same as with HTML in a page. You must make sure your tag syntax is valid, or otherwise things will appear strange or not appear at all. Each row follows the same principle but uses a different rounding function. Let's look at the first row, which displays the result of parse integer. Document write. Inside the string to be written out to the page, you start by creating the table row with the tr tag. Then you create a table cell with a td tag and insert the main of the method from which the results are being displayed on this row. Then you close the cell with an open a new one with td tag and open a new one with td. Inside this next cell, you are placing the actual result of the parse integer function, although a number is returned by parse integer because you are concatenating it to a string. JavaScript automatically converts the number returned by parse integer into a string before concatenating. All this happens in the background without you needing to do a thing. Finally, you close the cell and the row with tdtr. Okay, that's cool. We're going to leave it right here, guys. And I'm going to jump right into other courses because I have the Python course, the C# course. I'm going to implement a new one, which is going to come the following day of, after the JavaScript, which is going to be the game design. I'm going to read out a book about the game design. And it's gonna be hopefully it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be from PackPath because I'm subscribed to it, so I'm gonna use that subscription as much as possible. So I'm going to read a lot of PackPath books. So yeah, that's the announcement. I'm gonna announce it also in my other courses. So please, guys, let's give a round of applause because we have four courses every week. On Monday we have Python. In Tuesday we have C#. In Wednesday you have JavaScript, and Thursday you have game design. So it's all coming together for I don't know, like game development or something. So anyway, guys, thank you very much, and see you guys next time. Okay, bye bye.